Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a limit maximum order value in your Shopify store. For example, you need customers only buy up to this amount. Above that, you don't need customers to check out. So that type of rules we're going to set up. Basically, maximum order value rule. So for this, I'm using the next minimum order quantity app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of this video. So after installing the next minimum order quantity app, you come to the section of the app. So basically on the home screen, then you can click on the cart limit. We are limiting on cart, right? So we can give a rule name. So it's only for your reference. So maximum amount should not exceed, for example, and my store is on rupees, so I'm just giving it 20,000, right? And you can click on the cart section. Then you have the section, different sections: cart minimum quantity, maximum quantity, minimum amount, maximum amount. So we are using the maximum amount. Then we are giving it 20,000, right? An automated message is already generated with your message, and you can also have your custom message if you need to add the rupee symbol, or if you're using any other currencies, it will also work perfectly. So I'm saving the changes. Perfect. Now the changes are saved. Then we are going to test on our live store. So I'm just trying to check out. I'm just making it 10. This is only 2,500. We given the limit 20,000. So if we are trying to purchase, okay, people can purchase. There is no errors. And if I add a product, if I increase the quantity, for example, I'm making it above 20,000. Yeah, now it's about 20,000. Your cart total cannot exceed 20,000. So here you can give your dollar symbol or rupee symbol for better understanding. You can give your custom messages from this particular section. So cart to cart and maximum amount, you can give a custom message here, then it should be perfect. So this is how you can add a maximum amount limit for your Shopify store. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.